In a notable advancement for the inhabitants of Maunay, the member of the Legislative Assembly for the South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shulai, officially opened a new parking facility and a road expansion initiative today. This new infrastructure, situated along the border of Lower Lumparing and Laban Shillong, is designed to meet the increasing demands of the local populace. The initiative, which aims to enhance road conditions, includes the widening of the PWD road and the construction of a reinforced cement concrete RCC slab over the stream extending from the Smile School in Maunay to the residents of Jewalang. The estimated total expenditure of this project is Rs 1.13 crore. The inauguration ceremony was graced by prominent community leaders from Lower Loparing and Laban, as well as other local residents, including women and key figures in the community. During the event, Sanbor Shulai highlighted that the installation of the slab would mitigate flooding issues, thereby improving drainage and maintaining cleanliness. Furthermore, the newly established parking area is expected to reduce traffic congestion and enhance convenience for both residents and visitors to the area.
Kanaka Maunay, Lor Lumparing, Laban, kapacincar jikapnya adu kata-kata habordon kajing long jiaseng habor bayab brio balik on tap on tang habordon jiaseng habordon jing kawai irit pula disurok kimi sugiti pipe sana sedurong kasurok kalum kawa kajing jebok kajing kubelang badon ba Edward kawa kecurung open kumtu kibrat iki kesau kibrat iki miau kibrat iki jabok iki jaban kiberni kisengkali kabala isajmet kabala penjak burom yang ya pi kum fresh dong hakabadon ka khawai le se jeseng le ni ka jiya puri ki wan ki perlok ki men ki parajogi na sabar juga de kalaban karal laban kolong ki ja burom yang i ba ki wan ban marcha de ki sma soban rung sina cepo taka ba pelong yang i bangin ngin ya trade stom bat kumjuru ngile ora no ya kaplan kamang ladai ban tap no na dun yang ba i katai nang tai na yang jogi ba Everest karwan lang katay nang tidak parma bo pom ya katur ngila tap lut boro ya kader ngila tap lut boro khot kade kala arab sibune banlat nang jing berat yang digi jebo kala wara ka buram bat mental kadon kadon kecing yap beriu la ni kecing hawai la ni jing jinglong sia seng hayi ngasem bojong pi kamtam gitu kibaduk kibakerdu kibasongwai kibarit kayen kibamdan jaka wat teman bu te ka senduk ru apa pelau kana kala Arab sibun ban syong kinwan ki briuru layo ban bu surok iksuki begini syong da pilih ele je seng kala mirut kini samla jungi ka ban bolong Christmas ki ju pelong je thang mo je shat Christmas ki je pejmit hagna kadong hadong mau nei manus dem ki pelong je le kai ki lung kena kaspis kalabun komentaru mentah hajlong jakawa pet ya pelong ne je alang lakam don kana ka skim ngimla ban pelong ne je alang hasurok temlong hijat kali ter kada lari ke mentua ya pi kebasa kolong hapi kinong song balang bajong ar ki dorbar sinong kinong badong ban pej bakum no ba penyele khoj penyele suba hagini sistem ke belanda ngalapa komplain cebro ar ki dorbar sinong kaba hakmar jong kitei ki an adong jogo dorbar sinong